everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, and we are back on another edition of Excel for the micro, small and medium scale enterprises. So this video is for you, and I've also created some videos for you. Kindly check in the videos in my channel so you can also check for the Excels, for your business as MSMEs. So, and in this video, I will just brush through data visualization, just as you have on my screen right now. So you are a business person, you are a company, a small company, or even you're a big company, and you want to actually manage your business effectively. This is the right go-to channel. So, and this is a view of a company, and they have 15 outlets. So let's assume your business or your company, you have 15 outlets, and this is your profit that you've made throughout the year 2025, January to December. So what you are seeing on the screen, they are profits. So you've actually minused your cost of expenses, your cost of running the business and everything, and all the profit you have left. Those are the figures that you can see on my screen right now. So, and you now want to actually see and get to find out actually through data visualization. So what is data visualization? It's about bringing life into figures that you're seeing. So now you have your figures just looking at you in the face right now, but it's not really speaking to you in any way. It's not speaking to you in any way. Actually, you can get to sum it up to see, oh, this amount that a company is actually making just at what you have here. If I can just click on this function, we just want to know how much this is earning. So you can decide to do this, but really in the terms of it, you want to actually see, okay, how well does this all of these outlets, how well did they fare across the year? And that can only be done and be much more sensible to the site by data visualization, bringing life into all of these figures that you're just seeing right here. Do you see right? Do you get what I'm saying right now? So because mind just looking at the figures, sometimes it could be deceiving, and also you just want to know, okay, what is happening in this particular time of the month, why is this like this, and like you're able to juxtapose. So I just want to just take you through how you can just visualize your data if you have a data like this. But even if you don't have a data like this, just make sure that your data is well arranged and well put together. Do you get what I mean now? So that the details or the data that will coming out, the visualizations, the pie charts, the bar charts that will coming out will be very much good for you to see and to get a better result from it. So all right, so now this is the data that I want to use. So let me just highlight this, so I want to work with it. So now this is the data I'm actually working with. So I have all of this, my outlets, each of the outlets with their own code. Then I have from January to December. So now I want to run a chart to actually see, to visualize how is it like running the business throughout the year 2025, January to December. I hope you're following. Please stay glued so that you can get the best out of this video tutorial. All right, so now let's get started. So for us to get started, now come here at the top of the screen here. You can see this tab, this ribbon. Just click on insert. Click on insert. Mind you, you have to select the range of the data that you want to visualize. Do you get it? So, and that is why I selected all of these that you have on my screen. This is what I want to visualize. You see now that I am not selecting from here because I don't need this. I don't need this. Do you get that? So I don't need that. So this is what I want to visualize, and that is why I'm selecting it, and that is what I have selected. Do you get now? So I've said you click on insert here. Now you can see what we have here, but for the purpose of this tutorial, you are coming to this category, charts. You are coming to this category, and when you are dealing with data, the type of chart that you pick actually determines how meaningful your visualization is going to be. So in this case of data like this, what you can actually pick that will make sense for you is for you to go with either a line chart or you go with a bar chart. But regardless of it, you already have something like this, which is showing you recommended charts. So you can just click on that. So I'm going to click on recommended charts. So now let's see. So all right, so now you have this chart that is recommended for you. So you can decide that, okay, you want to actually look at this, but is this one really giving you justification? If you also click on this, is this also giving you some justification? Is it helping you understand your data very well, or is it this also? Or do you like this, or you prefer this also, or you prefer to have this, or you prefer this. But looking at all of these recommended charts, I think this second one actually gives you a kind of better illustration or better visualization of the data that you've got. Gives you much more better visualization of the data that you've got. This is a line, so line chart. So you want to, let's go with this. So a line chart is used to display trends over time. So just as I rightly said from the onset, we are going with a line chart. So click on OK. So now you have your line chart. So you are now visualizing this, all of these jargons that you have as numbers. You are now visualizing, you're able to see what happened. So now with all of this detail, it is actually very much sensible that you're able to say now that, okay, now looking at for outlets 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so the profits from all of these outlets were actually very low. So it's actually telling you something. You're able to see at a glance what is actually happening. So you get what I mean right now. So each of these line actually represents a month. So if you want to know for January, you can look for the color and you pick it. So you can also decide to expand. You can also decide to expand this so that you'll be able to see it very much more clearer. Do you get that? So this makes it very much clearer. So all of these months you're able to, if you click on it, this is January. So this actually gives you a better visualization of your data. So you get what I mean right now. And also you can decide that, okay, you only want to view that which you have for January. Do you get? So you can come here to come and click on your filters. So you only want to view for January, so just click on select or deselect it and click on January. So now you are going to click on apply. So now you are seeing only for January how the different outlets, how they actually performed. So this is definitely giving you a good view of what actually happened with these outlets, how their sales was, so that means outlet 15 actually had the highest profits in January. So this actually makes it very much convenient and easy for you as a business person to be able to notice some trends in your company. Do you get what I mean right now? So, and that actually gives you a lot of confidence and you're able to make some decisions for the progress of your business. Do you get what I mean right now? So, and also before I end this video, I'd like to also show you another thing that you can also do. So all right, so now let me return this back to showing all of the months. So I'm going to select all again and apply. So all of the months, they are showing again. So now what I actually want to show you, you can decide to move this anywhere on your sheet. So, and then now I just want to consider only for outlet 1 from January to December. And if you're having just variables or this data that are not actually much more than 1 or 2 or 3, you can decide to use a bar chart. Do you get that? So that it will not be too clumsy, but if you have a lot of data, so this line chart is actually the best for you to use so that you can know the trends across your businesses or across your profits or whatsoever that it applies to. So that I'm going to do bar charts just with outlet 1 and let's see how their sales were. So now I have selected what I actually want to work with. So now come to insert, just as we've done earlier, and then come here where you can see insert column or bar chart. So click on it. How do you want it? You have all of this there, but I would prefer that you should go with this first one. So just go with it. So now you can see here right now it's showing you that what for outlet 1, this is actually what happened. So the sales actually in January to March was very, very high. Now May, June, July, you can see the trend. Do you get that? So also you can also decide that, okay, you want to make it 3. You've selected that 3, you can come to insert again, click on this. So now you can see now that you have 3 outlets that are being combined to this, and you can definitely see that one of that outlet is actually spiking. So, and that is the orange color, looking at the performance in profit. So that actually gives you a good overview of what you're actually working with and which of your company is actually giving you the good results across the year. So you're able to notify the trend. So a company can be giving you the best profit in January but not in May. Meanwhile, another company in May is giving you the best profit. Do you get what I mean right now? So just play around all of this for your business and you will see, trust me, you will definitely be very much happy that you are able to visualize all of your figures, and you will always come back for more on this channel. Until next time, this is FinTech Space. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video and share with also your other businessmen and businesswomen. Until next time, bye for now.